guys, as you can see, it's very dark. It's 11:30, I think. I'm just about to take a shower. I haven't taken one yet. Pete's in his office, he's got the dogs. And they said we were going to get a stormy day. It's very humid at the moment and disgusting. But let's see. Just started raining. We need it. But it's so hot. Oh my God, it's absolutely disgusting. Actually, don't worry. Should just go take a walk in the rain. I'll take a shower, make myself a little bit presentable at least, if that's at all possible. We've got the air on. It is so muggy, I can't breathe. I just took a shower and everything and I feel 10 times worse now after drying my hair and stuff, but yeah, I've blocked the fan, so I've got the air on just to try and cool the room off a little bit. It is supposed to be a lot nicer tonight though. They said there's a cool front coming through, so fingers crossed they're telling us the truth. God's truth. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Should be a rainbow somewhere because the sun is shining and it's pouring. Okay guys, I wanted to call my mum. I was just about to pick up the phone and we are under the hugest thunderstorm right now. I don't like to be on the landline when it's thunder and lightning like this. It made me jump right out of my skin, seeing if they will crack another. Of course it won't because I've got the camera out now. That one set off a few car alarms. Oh boy. Now it's just soft rumblings. They're going to give us another big one. Wow, how many British flags can you see? Roxy and Louie, I've just taken them downstairs to Pete because she was freaking out up here and I went down to make a cup of tea, so they're in Pete's office because it's a bit noisier in there, so hopefully she's not as scared. Alright guys, just got off the phone with Mum and Steve, so that's good. I had a catch up. And now I'm going to show you the weather because just before I called them, it was thundering like mad and pilling it down. And now it looks like it never even rained. Blue sky, white clouds, and dry ground. Doesn't make sense. Okay guys, so we've had dinner. Ash may be heading out. Pete's watching live PD. I've watched enough. Anyway guys, I'm going to love and leave you for this evening. I hope you've all had a brilliant, brilliant Saturday. Whatever it is you did today, I hope it was a good one. And we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Good night.